Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to discover how to check eBay account status. Now, as you can see here, this is a page that they have made to see the account status. So will take you exactly where you need to see it. Now, as you may notice here, account restriction and suspensions. I have two of these, as you can see. So once you click on it, you will find here account restrictions and suspensions. We may occasionally restrict or suspend account to protect our community. So in my case, which is my account, is actually getting banned since it's basically located. I'm located in a country which has been uh, like farming eBay for a long time. I mean, farming. I don't think so. I don't want to say scamming, but most of the people were not being very truthful. So that why, and not only for my country, it's a lot of country actually, and get an account on eBay and selling items nowadays is pretty hard since they started like a huge amount of like banning. Even my account that is I only did it for tutorials is actually banned at the moment without any reason, like just by itself got really banned. So in my case guys, when I try to do anything, so to see if your account is banned or not, to check its status, you simply have to go right here to request your account's data. As you can see from accounts, if you click on eBay, then go here to account personal informations, and then click on request your eBay data. From there you will get all the information necessary, or you can simply check the customer service account, your account status. And as you can see here, I have account restriction in my case. In case you didn't have, then that's good. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next video.